We're on the 2001 Mercury Sable and we're changing out the alternator. I already took the alternator off, so it's really easy to do. I'm just going to show you the simple process of putting it back, which would be the same thing as taking it off. First and foremost, you want to take your coolant reservoir out, and that sits right here on the side. A couple bolts. There'll be one holding it here. There'll be another one holding it there. Then you have this hose to get off. It's connected to the bottom end of it. See, coolant came out. Once you do that, this is going to be the belt tensioner right down here. This one, I believe it's a 15 millimeter, and you're going to pull this thing up to release the tension off the belt. Okay, that's all good. So then you got two screws, one here, one screw there. Well, after you take those out, you're just gonna wedge a flathead right in between the bottom of the alternator, pop it out, wiggle it out from here. So how this is gonna go back in, you're gonna set it back in right there, just like that. This is the concept of wedging the screwdriver underneath like this. That's how you get it out. So all we're going to do is just line it up with the bolts. Right here, it goes in between these two. Mount, bracket, goes in between. You're just going to line the bolts up to put it in there. Same thing with this side. That's all you're going to have. Super easy job on the Mercury Sable with the 3.0 liter engine. 3.0. Pretty easy. Make sure you subscribe for more DIY videos, because you can do it yourself. All you need is a few tools. Puro Mobile Mechanics Dallas. You can check us out on Google and Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you name it.